Alright everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So back on the CHR today, as you can see, they got the ceiling already in, which I showed you guys a few days ago. Anyways, went ahead and strapped down the 1/2-inch flex down to the top of the grid just to secure it. So I had to kind of loop it over to the left side because I couldn't go straight down, and then I could have made this angle a little bit better. I kind of zigzagged over there without knowing it. I could have looped it around in more of a 180, more like this one over here, but that one was for the lighting in the center of the room, and this one is for the fire alarm. So I got the fire alarm wire pulled down to here into its final destinations in each of the boxes. Did a fire alarm test on that, make sure nothing was grounded out, and that was all good. So here is the fire alarm. Got all the wire into here and all the devices installed. Kind of put these hair nets over it just to make sure stayed clean and all that stuff. Got all the covers on the junction boxes and the junction boxes from the other day when we were pulling the wire through the existing boxes. So got the two smokes in, the smoke wire in the other box, waiting for sheetrock, and then the other device which I just showed you, which I already forgot what it is. There's the smokes and the chime strobe, so that was the one in the middle. And the 4x4, got that leveled out. And lastly, went ahead and got these core drops done. And the other thing that I did do was drill a hole in one of these door frames here on the right side, and then put a piece of flex through it with some string for the door that is going in. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it, short and sweet today. Those are the things that I worked on. And then also cleaning out this CHR room, taking all of our stuff back to the laydown. All our stuff that was in there, the ladders, all the parts, the extra garbage lights and stuff like that. So got all that stuff cleared out, and I brought my cart back to the laydown as well. So now we're pretty much done in the CHR until they are pretty much finished and bring in some more furniture so we can do the last thing, which is the power pole. And then once they sheetrock, we can put the light in the office and the last smoke detector in the office. But as for now, there's also going to be a card reader by the door, but as of right now, we've gone as far as we can. Everything is completely done, except I could probably put a label on the 2 cord drops with the circuit numbers on that. But anyways, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching this week. I will see you guys back next week. And hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe and have a good one. Love you guys. Peace.